So just a little tutorial on hanger brackets. Now these derailleur brackets here are the little silver piece in between the frame and the actual derailleur itself. These are designed to bend and take the damage away from your derailleur, which can happen during freight. The box can kind of move around side to side and bang and press up against your derailleur, which will cause this bracket to bend inwards, and essentially when that happens, it's going to pull your chain way too close to the tyre to a point that it'll probably touch, and it can also create issues with changing gears and things like that. But a simple fix is to straighten this out or bend it back out very carefully. And the way you can do that is with like a tool like so, and all you want to do is kind of pull and lever that back out ever so gently. You don't want to damage any of your cassette, so you should be able to straighten that relatively easily. In a serious case where it is very badly damaged, we can actually replace this bracket, which we have spares of, which are easy to do. It's just a case of loosening this fella here a little bit, and unbolting the derailleur off this bracket, and then this fella here also holds the bracket to the frame. So 1, 2 and 3, and you'll be able to get this bracket off and replace that super easy. And then you can bolt your your hanger back onto the bracket and pop our little motor wire cap back on, and that should then straighten your chain back out, and away you go.